So guys, this is our new project. Got this Dodge Ram off a salvage yard. We're going to be doing front end repairs on it. So, doesn't look so bad, guys. Keep in mind, the support screws on mainly. It's a subframe screw on. Frame is separate. The cab is separate. So, we're going to start disassembling the car. And we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Stay tuned. Guys, we do have 7 donor cars. Our parts are no problem. You see those little sensors on each side? That's what makes your airbags deploy. You hit the support, and it decreases scoring. Anyways, guys, we're gonna take off the radiator condenser. I'll show you the frame as I'm working on it. Doesn't look so bad. I'm pretty sure I can have the car done today. We'll see. But tomorrow, positive. Stay tuned. We don't need this junk. Let me show you guys something. This frame got tilted in lightly. But look over here. We're gonna cut this frame off. We're gonna pull it first. Doesn't look so bad. Bingo!
Baby.
So guys, walk around. The frame, we already cut it off. Chassis looks pretty straight. We are gonna measure. This side has to get pulled. It's not so bad. Worst comes to worst, we have a piece. But this side will come out. It doesn't look bad. This side's gonna get replaced. The inside, we're just pulling it out. Cab looks pretty sweet. It's gonna get re-drilled from there. The front support, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So you can see right here, it kind of crumbled. Overall, the frame, it's gonna get painted. Anyways, let's get to it. So guys, we got her out of there. She grew in. A lot of debris from the bottom. But anyways, let's bring her in the shop. Start cutting her pieces. We don't really got much left of it. Just this side. Even though it's burnt, it's the frame, the engine block, transmission looks pretty. Nah. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go. Get this sucker in. Just a glimpse of idea. Yes, it's burnt, but obviously it's gonna get re-welded, gonna get painted, primed, taken care of. Put it this way. A little mess up, but we're gonna go around, measure it. We're gonna put a reinforcement bar. It has room to play left and right. Let's get the sucker out. So guys, we haven't started it yet since it came in. Will it start? Will it not? Let's take our chances. It had a crank. Let's investigate. See what's going on. And pretty clear. We disconnected the ground. Let's connect it back, and I'm positive it'll start. It's a Hemi. Come on, guys. It's a Dodge. A truck. A truck. Pretty nice one. Sounds like a VA. My matches. Fender. Busy, busy, busy. So guys, we got all the parts, everything came in. So we're gonna assemble this, bumper, grill, get it done to the condition where it's gonna go for polish. And our part here will be done. So, stay tuned, let's get it going. Heavy little rascal. Somewhere waiting around. I'm trying to find it. I'll connect these. Fog lights. I gotta still connect the plug for the sensors. There we have it. She's all put together. She's ready to go to detail. And from there on, she'll get washed up. She'll get placed on an alignment rack, get the alignment done, all the maintenance, engine oil, get taken care of, and she is done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. If you liked the video and want to stay informed about more videos going on, hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe. Thank you.